how to create concentric circles, uniform spacing in Photoshop. Now first thing to do, go to the Ellipse Tool and hold the Shift key down and create a circle. Now the key panels here are Properties and Layers. What I'm going to do, I'm also just going to quickly go and now duplicate the layer. So just Layer and Duplicate Layer. Click OK. Now you can see in the Layers panel, you've got two layers. But I'm going to duplicate more than that. I'm just going to go duplicate it 3 or 4 times. Now I've got a customization for that, so I just do that quickly. But you can just do duplicate layer, duplicate layer, duplicate layer, and so on and so on. Now once you've got all of those, what you can do then, just going to go down to the bottom one. Now I've noticed I've got the wrong size. So what I want to do is select all of the layers I've created. And I'm going to set that to 1000. Now I'll just move that down slightly. Go down to the bottom one and the second to bottom one. You could go, obviously the bottom one's 1000. Now the second to bottom one, I'm going to set to 900 and 900. The next one I'm going to set to 800, 800. You can also do 1000 minus 200, 1000 minus 200. Then you can go 700. And then 600. And then surprisingly at the end, 500. Now, of course, you could do 950, 850, 750, up to you. Any number of combinations like that, sequences. Now, what I'm going to do is select all of the shapes, and you can then go to the alignment tools at the top and align horizontal, align vertical. Now select individual layers, and you can change the colours either via the properties, or you can just go over to the layers and just click on the little thumbnail there. Just change the colour there. Click again on that little thumbnail, maybe make it green. Go up to the next one and then just click on that thumbnail again and set it to orange. Go to the bottom one and that to brown. Now once you're happy with that, select all of the shapes, all of the circles, make certain they're all selected, and you can see that via the Layers panel, all selected there. Go to the Layer and Smart Objects and Convert to Smart Object. And there we have it, an absolutely beautiful, uniform spaced concentric circle design. And you can apply effects to it as well as maybe adjustments. So just going to go to Image, Adjustments and Hue and Saturation, and you can just modify the colours there. You could use Colorize maybe as well. And once you've done that, click OK. You could of course apply filters and much more. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Please subscribe, always adding new tutorials. Also, please add some comments or dislike or like. Thank you much.